The human immune system is a sophisticated network of cells and molecules that collaborate to defend the body against harmful pathogens it plays a crucial role in. Identifying and eliminating foreign invaders and understanding its various functions. And components is essential to appreciate how our body effectively combats infections. And diseases. It is generally divided into two main parts, the innate and adaptive immune systems. The innate immune system is the body's first line of defense and provides rapid, non-specific protection through physical barriers like the skin, mucous membranes, and stomach acid, as well as immune cells such as macrophages, neutrophils, and natural killer cells that quickly recognize and destroy invaders. When an infection occurs, the innate system triggers inflammation, which is the body's way of sending immune cells to the site of infection to isolate and fight off the harmful agent. If the invader persists, the adaptive immune system comes into action, which is slower but highly specific. It is made up of lymphocytes, B cells, and T cells that recognize and remember specific pathogens. B cells produce antibodies, which are specialized proteins that bind to antigens on the surface of pathogens, neutralizing them or marking them for destruction, while T cells help coordinate the immune response and directly kill infected or abnormal cells. Once the infection is cleared, the adaptive system creates memory cells that remember the pathogen, allowing for a faster and stronger response if the same germ attacks again in the future, which is the basis of how vaccines work. However, the immune system can sometimes malfunction. In autoimmune diseases, it mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. In allergies, it overreacts to harmless substances like dust or pollen, and in immunodeficiency disorders, it becomes too weak to protect the body effectively. Overall, the immune system works as a coordinated and intelligent army, continuously scanning the body, recognizing threats, and deploying the right type of defense to maintain health and survival. Defense Army. It protects us from harmful germs, bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, and even abnormal cells like cancer. How it works step by step. Step 1. Detection. Immune cells sense something foreign, like a virus entering. Step 2. Signal. They release chemical messengers, cytokines, calling other immune cells. Step 3. Attack. White blood cells surround and destroy the invader. Step 4. Adaptive response. If needed, B cells make antibodies and T cells target the infection. Step 5. Memory. After recovery, memory B and T cells remain, so next time the body fights faster. This is how vaccines work. Thanks for watching.